2,000 calories a day. Whose number is that, exactly? You looked up how many calories you should eat, got 2,000, and ate 2,000. 6 weeks later the scale hadn't moved. Meanwhile someone your exact height and weight eats more than that and stays lean. This one shows the whole chain. Your BMR, the activity multiplier on top of it, and the calories that come out the other end. Sex, age, height in centimeters, weight in kilos. There's no calculate button, it recalculates as you type. Then pick how much you actually move, 5 levels, from sedentary to very active. Light, 1 to 3 days a week. And there it is. Your basal metabolic rate, 1279, that's what you'd burn lying still all day. Times the activity level, and your maintenance calories come out at 1,759. Underneath, the same number split 3 ways: lose, maintain, gain. 1,759 a day. Not 2,000. Your BMR barely moves. The activity level is what changes the answer. Watch. Same person, same weight, and only one drop-down changes. Sedentary, 1535. Now look at the weight loss card. It doesn't just subtract 500. It stops at 1,200 and flags a safe minimum, with a note telling you to talk to a doctor before eating less than that. Now switch to very active. 2430. Same body, nearly 900 calories apart, that's the gap a generic number can never cover. Same body, same weight. Sedentary, 1535. Very active, 2430. It's free, there's no sign up, and nothing you enter leaves your browser. It even works offline. This is a reference estimate, so talk to a doctor or a dietitian before you change your diet. The link is in the description.